So this is US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Thursday, the 23rd of November. Now, let's have a look what happened with prices. So, we've been saying we had a bad negative reaction to 1430, but as we can see on this chart, we've had a reaction to this 1356. We've got a high there, and we've got a lower high. Got into a bit of a consolidation here, a bit of a consolidative range, and we did break out to the downside. And again, we've had a consolidative range, break out to the downside. We did come down into this consolidative range again. We've had a move to the upside, and we've had a slow move downwards. Then some strong selling momentum has come into the market on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we've come down to this level where we had a pretty much this consolidation. So we've come down to this level. We've had a consolidation around that 112 level. We've had a brief consolidation there. Then we've seen some strong sell side momentum. So degree of indecisiveness in the market just there. After consolidation, we came down to this area again, had a brief consolidation before we've had some strong sell side momentum coming to the market now. We've had these candles pretty sizable, closing near the lows, indicating some strong momentum in the market. Had this a brief retracement here, due to the fact that these candles are pretty small as well. We were expecting more downside momentum. The size of the candles don't indicate a overall reversal in the market, and as we've seen by this candle, this is currently still being formed here. Well, it's closed just now. Very strong bearish candle. So let's look for potential downside targets, as we have got a strong yen at the moment. So let's just see where we are. Oh, there we go. So we are looking to see our prices react to this next major level in around us 1073. It's around 1073, 1080. So we'll see our prices react to 1073. If we do see some buy side momentum taking us for a possible retest from underneath of the 1160. Beyond which we're looking for the 1215. I can't anticipate prices moving much beyond 1215 if we do see some buy side momentum come into the market. But if 110.73 doesn't hold, we're possibly looking for this 110. 110 will likely be a psychological level. I've got it marked out on the chart as a area of strong resistance, but 110 in around us 110, we will likely possibly see some buy side momentum, whether it's a case of bears closing positions or bulls taking as opportunities to buy value. Now, beyond which the next major level we're looking at is around us 109.54. We're at 111 at the moment, so I can't anticipate prices moving down to 109.54. Also, due to the fact that we have a US holiday, Thanksgiving holiday, I can't anticipate there being enough market volatility, enough market participants to drive prices all the way down to this 109.54. So 110.73 or this 110, maybe the far end of the range. Again, 109.54 would probably be a bit extended, below which I've marked out levels on the chart. I'll mark them out later on during the day. But 109.54 would be the far end of the range. Again, 112.15 I would expect to be the upper end of the range, due to the fact that we are quite bearish. I do have a smaller range to the upside just there. So let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here. So on this daily chart, we can see, let's just grab a pen. So we had this treble top in around this 114.30. We briefly broke above it with one candle and retested that 114.74. But overall, this 114.30 was a very strong level. And as we can see, we've had sell side momentum. And again, we've come up to the 114.30. We've had several tests. And again, we've seen some strong sell side momentum coming to the market. Now, let's just let's clear this chart up. So on the 22nd, we posted a very strong bearish candle. Look, the size of this candle is quite noticeable. It's closing near its lows. It's quite large. We've had a test of that 112.52, which is a very strong level from underneath, and we've got a very strong bearish sell side candle taking us all the way below this 200 period moving average. We didn't even stall at the 200 period moving average. We just pretty much straight all the way through it. So again, we're looking at 110.73 down at 109.54, and with horizontal level, we've also got 400 period moving average. I can't anticipate prices moving as all the way down there. Especially after seeing this very large move here on the 22nd. I can't anticipate prices moving, much larger move to move down to 109.54. So in around at 110 we'd expect to be the far end of the range. But we'll see our price react to 110.73. Now, beyond which a long-term target possibly be in around this 108.50, and beyond that we're looking for the previous lows in around 107.32. But those are the levels that we're looking at. 110.73 would expect to be the far end of the range, and 112.15 to the upside would be the far end of the range to the upside. That should wrap up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.